If you're watching this because a narcissist hurt you, cheated on you, controlled you, or took years of your life, then you're in the right place. Because there is a way to leave a narcissist feeling broken, and it's not what most people think. If you've ever sat there and you've been thinking, after everything I gave, how do they just walk away like it meant nothing? That feeling stays lodged in your chest. The unfairness of it, the imbalance, the sense that they got away with it, or with something that you're left carrying. Narcissists rely on that. They expect you to stay emotionally attached to the damage, to replay what they did to you, to wait for remorse that will never come. You will never get closure from a narcissist. That's how they keep the upper hand. Here's what they don't expect. They don't expect you to stop centering your life around the wound that they gave you. They expect anger. They expect obsession. They expect you to need answers, need closure that's never going to come. Because as long as your energy is still on them, they haven't really lost yet. This is where people get trapped. They get so trapped in the past. They think leaving a narcissist feeling broken means confrontation, exposure, or proving how much pain they caused, trying to get them to understand what they did. But narcissists don't break from guilt. They have no empathy. They break from loss of power. Loss of power. Remember that. When you stop explaining yourself, when you stop seeking closure, when you stop needing them to acknowledge what they did, something inside them shifts. So you might become quieter. You will become clearer. You'll become calmer and less reactive. And that's unsettling for them. They really don't like it. It really bothers them. And by the way, just really quickly, if you're new here, my name's Brandon. Over 600,000 people follow my daily insights on narcissistic behavior over on Instagram. And if this video helps you in any way, then leaving a like lets me know that it helped you. It also shows YouTube that this video was helpful, and it'll show it to other people that need it. Now, you leave a narcissist feeling broken, not by attacking them, but by becoming emotionally unavailable to their chaos. They realize they no longer matter the way they thought they did. They are irrelevant to you. They didn't just lose you, they lost access to your energy, your reactions, and your validation that they really value. And when a narcissist loses that, they are left facing something they really can't escape. The fact that you were never the weak one in the relationship. You were the source, and now it's gone. If you found this video helpful, I'm going to leave another on the screen that I think will also help you very much.